Hi, my name is Mike Lynn. I'm the service manager here at Dyer Mazda Subaru in Vero Beach, Florida. I get asked all the time by customers, family, friends, why should we service our car with you? And just a couple of points that I usually try to bring up. We use factory trained mechanics here. All of our mechanics go through rigorous training for both manufacturers, Mazda and Subaru. We use all OEM parts on all of our vehicles for repairs, and the benefit of that is always having a factory-backed warranty of 12 months, 12,000 miles on both parts and labor. We have our online scheduling department. It makes it very easy for you to schedule any type of maintenance repairs, such as oil changes, tire rotations, tire replacements, front end alignments, or any warranty repairs for both brands. When you get here, you're going to be greeted by our concierge out in the service lane. In the lounge, we have complimentary coffee, tea, water, snacks. Very comfortable. You can wait for your car. And we also have lift service. If you're local within like 10 miles of the dealership, or you just want to leave your car for a couple of hours, go out and enjoy some of the sights and get something to eat here in Vero, we'd be more than happy to have you lifted over, have you picked up when your car is ready and brought back to the dealership, pick up your car, and you can be on your way. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help you out, see if we can't take care of all your service needs.